Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Zaid Chemistry. I am Sheikh Zul Islam, teacher of High School Shanu, and today's topic is about contact force. Let's start with our topic. Contact force. As in the last topic, we were discussing about the effects of force. तो वहाँ पे हमने ये देखा कि फोर्स को एक्सर्ट करने के लिए कभी कभार बॉडीज का, दो सबस्टेंसेस का या दो बॉडीज का एक दूसरे के साथ फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में होना जरूरी है, और कभी कभार फोर्स का एक्सर्ट करने के लिए फिजिकल कांटेक्ट का होना जरूरी नहीं है। तो उन केसेस में जहां भी फिजिकल कांटेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है, ऐसे फोर्सेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? कांटेक्ट फोर्सेस कहते हैं। यहां हम ये कहेंगे कि contact forces are those forces in which one body exerts force on another body due to physical contact, or a force in which one body exerts force or exerts its influence on another body due to close interaction. That particular force is called as contact force or contact forces. There are two types of forces, or there are two examples of such forces. One is muscular force and another is frictional force, or simply called as friction. Muscular force. The muscular force is that force. The muscular force is that force in which one body exerts force on another body due to muscular power, or the force which is exerted on any body or any substances by the muscles of the body, or by the muscular system of the body. Such type of forces are called as muscular forces. The examples of such forces are walking. When we walk, it is basically when we walk on the ground or when we step out, what happens there? Actually, our muscles, they exert the force on the ground, due to which we are able to stand on the ground, we are able to step out, or we are able to walk on the ground. Jumping, it is due to the muscular force that exerts on the ground, due to which we are able to jump. Running, we are able to run because of this muscular force. The exercises, the steps, what we did during our gym training, that is, we lift any weight because of muscular force. We push, we do push up, or we do pushing of any way because of muscular force. In the during the soccer tournament, or during the soccer match, or during the football match, we kick the ball because of the muscular force, or we usually do stretching during gym work because of this muscular force. Also, during the process of digestion, when we eat the food, the food goes through our buccal cavity. It is due to the muscular force that the food is. It is due to the muscular force, or it is due to the stretching and relaxation of our buccal cavity, that the food is pushed to the stomach. When in the stomach there is a mechanical churning of the food. Due to peristaltic moments, or due to muscular force of inner layer of the stomach, it exerts a muscular force on the food, on this churner food, and it finds its way into the small intestine. And this muscular force also comes into existence during the process of digestion. As there is the contact between the two objects, due to which this force comes into play. That is why such force is also called as contact force. Then there is another force that is called as frictional force, or it is simply called as friction. A force which opposes motion of one body over another body. A force, or we can also state as opposing force which stops movement of one body over another body, is called as frictional force, or simply friction. For example, we are riding a bicycle or we are riding a cycle. We first increase the speed of this automobile, or this bicycle, or this cycle, or any automobile. Then suddenly, if we apply a brake on this, this automobile, it stops, or bicycle stops, cycle stops. Basically, what is there? The tires of this automobile, they come in close interaction with the ground. They exert an opposing force, due to which there is the the force of friction comes into existence and this automobile it stops. Then during the cricket match, when the ball it goes towards the boundary line, or the ball comes towards us, we usually dives and we stops it, or we stops it by our hand. Basically, there is the contact between the hand and the ball, and force of friction comes into play, and this ball stops. Also, moving boat during when the boat rides over the water, first its speed increases. Then, if we can stop this speed of this moving boat by application of this frictional force, as there is contact between two objects during this particular force. The force is also the example of contact force or contact forces. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.